Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to set up WooCommerce payments. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner you want to get started with logging into your account. If you've not already, go ahead and log into your WordPress account, after which you'll be greeted by the home page where at the left side of the screen we can find all the sections we can access such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started setting up WooCommerce payments for our store. So here we have the WooCommerce section where we can go ahead and start a new store. If you do not already have one, you can get started creating one, and if you have already have one, you can access it from here and all the settings. But guys, for today's video we are going to need a plugin. So what you can do is click the plugin section right here at the left side of the screen. This is going to enable us to use the search option right here at the top of the screen and search for the plugins we want to use. And basically guys, what we want to search for is Woo Payments. You want to search for Woo Payments right here. Clicking the search button is going to go ahead and give you this results page. As you can see, the first result is the Woo Payments integrated WooCommerce payments option. That's going to go ahead and enable you to set up Woo Payments. You also have the WooCommerce subscriptions. You can select whichever option you prefer and what you want to use, and you can get started adding it to your store using the install button right here. This is going to enable you to add it to your store, and then you'll be able to use it guys as much as you like. You can set up any payments you like for your WooCommerce store that you'll be able to manage, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.